Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of animals. This cat loves to surf, he has his own Instagram page and he is not afraid of water at all. This cat doesn't like being touched. Goose and cat have fun.
Oh, nice.
Smells great.
Little bum Ray.
Bye-bye. 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 Oh, look at all these ticks that I could tick off. Oh my goodness.
A dog and a cat are trying to destroy as much as possible while their owner is not at home.
Shit! مات
واد دب
مات
وات هبل
شت
عادي 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 ايزي عادي عادي.
The cat rides the escalator in the shopping mall. Beautiful peacock showing off his tail. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you.